Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to delete X account. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply go to x.com and then simply click on more, then simply go to settings and privacy, and then here is your account. As you can see on the right side you have this option to deactivate your account, so simply click on that and then simply click on deactivate. Now keep in mind that you're gonna have to wait 30 days in order to delete your account. So as you can see, you have 30 days also to restore your account. So if you want to get back your account, you have 30 days. So if it's been more than 30 days and you haven't logged in back on your account, you're gonna lose the account. So this is the only way to delete your X account. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.